All right, we're going to work on converting degrees into radians. In order to do that, we're going to multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees. So if I had 30 degrees and if I multiply it by pi radians over 180 degrees, what's going to happen is it's going to convert for us because our degrees are going to cancel out. So the degree symbols will cancel out when you cross. Now we multiply straight across, so now we're going to get 30 pi radians over just regular 180. Once you get to this spot, you're going to work on reducing your fraction. Both 30 and 180 divide by 30. So when I uh, reduce those numbers, I will get 1 pi radian over 6. But we don't need to write the 1. We can just write pi radians over 6. All right, so 30 degrees equals pi over 6 in radians. All right, so if we repeat that process, let's try it again with 90 degrees. If I multiply it by pi radians over 180 degrees, the degree symbols are going to cancel out. We multiply straight across. So 90 times pi is 90 pi. 1 times 180 is 180. And then we work on reducing the fraction. Both 90 and 180 can divide by 90. All right, and when I do that, 90 divided by 90 is 1 again. So I get 1 pi. And then 180 divided by 90 is 2. 1 pi over 2, or another way of saying it is just pi radians over 2. All right, in the last one, we can have negative angles as well. So I wanted to make sure we did an example like that. Um, So again, if I had negative 135 degrees and I multiply it by pi radians over 180 degrees, my degrees are going to cancel out. So degree symbols cancel out. I multiply straight across, negative 135 pi radians over 180. Right? And then I just work on reducing the fraction. Now this time the fraction it doesn't divide by 135. The number that goes into both of these is 45. Right? When I divide 135 by 45, I get 3. Okay, so my answer is going to be negative 3 pi radians. And then 180 divided by 45 is 4. All right. And now I can leave the negative symbol in the numerator, or I can just bring it out in front. Negative 3 pi radians over 4. All right, and that's converting from degrees into radians.